I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now search and select Action LionDesk. Give here the client ID and client secret. So, click on Please visit the LionDesk apps. New app. Give here name and redirect URI. Save. Copy the client ID and paste it here. For client secret, click on Reveal Secret. And copy the client secret and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorized, successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use it, checking the box. Also, here is conditional logic, you can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard. And change the status from pending to approved. Now go to your LionDesk site. And you can see here the data came successfully in LionDesk. Thanks for watching.